Hello again, Izzy from Digital Goja Showrooms. And today we're going to take a look at a question that I've noticed on some of the blogs out there and customer service questions. How do I work with the Altura Photo rapid fire strap with the quick release plate with my hybrid camera? There's lots of these out there. Let's take a closer look. If this video helps you out, remember to hit me up with a like button underneath and subscribe to our channel for future unboxing tutorials and sessions such as this. And don't forget, when in Miami, visit me at Digital Goja Showrooms. Now, a lot of today's hybrid cameras have the battery compartment and memory card slot in the same area. So you need to be able to access on a regular basis. So let's say, for example, if you want to use the rapid fire plate, you first attach it on here. All right. Remember, this has to be not over tight, but tight enough so it doesn't come loose. And notice how, you can't open the battery compartment now. So when you're going to need to open it, what I would suggest is loosen it slightly and then open it up. Close it back up and retighten it. That's the easiest way that I've noticed to do this. Now, of course, with the new improved version of the Altura Rapid Fire, you also have the tether. So with the tether, you can actually attach it to the top up here and not have to use this connection on the bottom. That might be maybe a better alternative for some of the hybrids that are out there, but if you do want to continue using your rapid fire, just remember to loosen it up. And some people I've noticed are even just keeping it this way on a constant basis, because since this camera, for example, has a swivel that moves out of the way, you could actually be using the screen that swivels out of the way instead of having to use your viewfinder. So on this camera it might work, maybe not on other models. Here, for example, I have another hybrid. This one happens to be one of the Olympus versions. So you again notice on the bottom, your battery compartment and your memory card are in the same compartment. So you have to be able to access this readily. So again, we do the same thing, tying it on here. Now on this model, notice how when we put the rapid fires attachment here, even if I move it over this way, like so, I still have the capability of accessing my battery compartment and my memory card slot. So again, leaving it this way, you could even use it permanently because this also has a screen that swivels out of the way. So it does give you the capability of keeping it on there on a permanent basis. It might be a little bit unwieldy for some of you, so that might not be an option. So again, move it back so that you have access to the quick release mechanism here on the side, like so. And again, as I mentioned before, the newer version also has this quick tether system so that you can attach it to your camera D-ring a lot easier. So that's another option that you have to be able to work with your hybrid cameras and the Altura Photo Rapid Fire strap. Happy shooting!